Mars, often called the Red Planet, has always fascinated humans. It's our closest neighbor and yet full of mysteries that we still don't fully understand. Mars has always been interesting, but now more than ever, it's a big focus in space exploration. Scientists are planning to send humans soon to learn more. With each mission, we discover something new, and Mars slowly reveals its secrets. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 most mysterious facts about this. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and like the video and watch till end. Mystery 1. Did Mars have ancient life? Scientists are debating whether Mars once had tiny life forms, like microbes. Long ago, Mars had water, rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Since water is essential for life, some think that Mars could have supported simple life forms back then. Rovers have even found some signs that suggest Mars might have had the right conditions. But no clear evidence of past life has been found yet, so the mystery remains. Mystery 2. What happened to Mars water? Mars used to have a lot of water, like rivers and lakes, but now it's mostly dry. The mystery is, where did all that water go? Scientists think it might have evaporated into space because Mars lost its atmosphere, which helps keep water from escaping. Some believe that water might be trapped as ice under the surface. So even though Mars was once wet, it's now a very dry planet, and we're still trying to solve the mystery of its missing water. Mystery 3. Mars magnetic field. Now, let's talk about Mars's magnetic field. Billions of years ago, Mars had a strong magnetic field that protected it from harsh space radiation. But at some point, this magnetic field disappeared. Without it, Mars's surface became exposed to the sun's radiation, which led to a loss of its atmosphere. Without its magnetic field, Mars lost most of its atmosphere. This has serious effects. The atmosphere is what keeps a planet warm and shields it from the sun's harmful rays. With a thinner atmosphere, Mars became very cold and exposed, making it a tough place for life to survive. So, the loss of the magnetic field didn't just change the weather, it made Mars a much harsher environment overall. Mystery 4. The origins of Olympus. Mons is the tallest volcano in the solar system, standing about 13.6 miles high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It's huge and wide, with a base that's about 370 miles across. Scientists think it got so big because Mars doesn't have tectonic plates like Earth, so the lava kept piling up in one spot for a very long time. This makes Olympus Mons a giant feature on Mars. Olympus Mons is much bigger than any volcano on Earth, and scientists are trying to figure out why. One reason is that Mars doesn't have tectonic plates like Earth. On Earth, the plates move, which can stop a volcano from growing too big. But on Mars, the lava keeps coming out in the same spot because the surface doesn't move. This allowed Olympus Mons to grow huge over time. So, its size is partly because Mars' surface is different from ours. Mystery 5. Mars' mysterious seasonal patterns. Mars has strange weather patterns. One of the most unusual is the huge dust storms that can cover the entire planet. These storms can last for months and make the sky look orange. They happen because of the strong winds on Mars that pick up and spread the fine dust. These dust storms are so big they can change the temperature on Mars and make it hard to see the surface from space. Mars has unpredictable weather because its atmosphere is very thin and doesn't hold heat well. This causes big temperature changes and strong winds, which can lead to sudden dust storms. Scientists study these storms to understand more about Mars's atmosphere and climate. By learning how and why these storms happen, they can better predict how Mars might change over time and what conditions might be like for future missions. Mystery 6. Formation of the Northern Polar Ice Cap. Scientists are fascinated by Mars's northern polar ice cap. It has many layers, and they're curious about how it formed and why it looks this way. By studying these layers, scientists hope to learn more about Mars's climate history. Each layer might record different climate conditions over time, giving clues about how the planet's climate has changed. Mystery 7. The origin of Mars's moons. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which puzzle scientists. They're trying to understand how these moons formed. One possibility is that they might be captured asteroids, space rocks that Mars pulled in with its gravity. If this theory is correct, it could give us clues about the early solar system and how planets interact with smaller space objects. By studying Phobos and Deimos, scientists hope to learn more about Mars's history and its place in the solar system. Understanding these moons might also reveal more about how similar objects were captured by other planets. Mystery 8. Mars's magnetic anomalies. Mars has some unusual magnetic fields that don't fit with the planet's current magnetic field. These strange areas of magnetism are like clues from Mars's past. Scientists are very interested in figuring out why these anomalies exist and what they can tell us about Mars. They think these magnetic fields might be leftover from when Mars had a strong magnetic field long ago. Understanding these magnetic anomalies could reveal important information about how Mars's atmosphere and surface changed over time, helping us learn more about the planet's history. Mystery 9. The mysterious Martian methane. Mars has traces of methane in its atmosphere, but scientists are unsure where it comes from. On Earth, methane is commonly produced by living organisms like bacteria and animals. This has led scientists to wonder if the methane on Mars could be a sign of life or if it's being produced by some other process. By studying the methane, they hope to uncover whether it indicates past or present biological activity or if there's another explanation. Understanding the source of this gas could provide valuable clues about Mars' potential for life and its environmental conditions. Mystery 10. The mysterious Martian. Snow 1. Intriguing mystery is the occasional snowfall on Mars. Scientists have observed snowflakes falling from the Martian sky, but they're not like Earth's snow. Martian snow is made of tiny ice crystals and sometimes carbon dioxide. Understanding how and why this snow forms could offer insights into Mars's weather patterns and its climate history. This mysterious snowfall adds another layer to the puzzle of what Mars was like in the past and what it might be like today. Mystery 11. Mars' unique seasons. Mars has seasons like Earth, but they are much more extreme. This is because Mars has an elliptical orbit, which makes its distance from the Sun change more than Earth's. As a result, Mars experiences longer and more intense seasons. For example, winters can be very cold, and summers can get quite warm. These changes affect the planet's surface, causing ice caps to grow and shrink, and influencing weather patterns like dust storms. So, the Martian seasons create dramatic shifts in the planet's climate and surface conditions. Mystery 12. Martian volcanic activity. Scientists are trying to find out if volcanoes on Mars are still active today. They look for signs like new lava or heat coming from the surface. By examining pictures and data from Mars rovers and satellites, they search for clues that the planet's volcanoes might still be erupting. If they find any signs of this, it would mean Mars is more active inside than we thought. This discovery would be exciting and help us learn more about Mars. Guys, if you're excited about space and want to keep up with the mysteries of Mars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your opinions. It requires a lot of hard work for even a single video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.